first stopover, Pangasinan, we stayed for about 15 to 20 minutes and then continued our journey to Baguio. We arrived at our first destination, the iconic Baguio Lion statue located at Cannon Road. According to Filipino, the construction of the Cannon Road, originally known as the Benguet Road, marked the start of it. In an effort to conquer the Cordillera in the 1900s, American government constructed the road. It cost roughly $2.7 million, making it by far the most expensive engineering project at the time. Members of the Baguio City Lions Club constructed the lion statue. The lion is used to indicate the presence of the club nearby. The Lions Club is a group whose mission is to provide for the needs of local and international communities. Melvin Jones established it in 1917. In 1919, Halstead Ritter stated that the lion name reflects the fundamental meaning of citizenship, liberty, intelligence, and our nation's safety. The founder chose the name lion because it stands for strength, courage, fidelity, and vital action.
Our second stop was the Baguio Cathedral. We attended the celebration of the Mass at 6 a.m. Then we moved to the Botanical Garden. After the Botanical Garden, we ate lunch at a small cafeteria nearby. Then we moved on to Wright Park, where the kids enjoy wearing the Igorot costume for some pictures. After that, we move on to the mansion. Based on the history, the mansion was built in 1908 to serve as the official summer residence of American Governors General at the insistence of Governor General William Cameron Forbes. The name is derived from the summer cottage in New England of Governor Forbes, whose administration the original mansion house was built under. Architect William E. Parsons, based on preliminary plans by architect Daniel H. Burnham, planner of the city of Baguio, designed the mountain retreat following the tenets of the City Beautiful movement. In 1910, the meeting of the Second Philippine Legislature was held at the Mansion House for 3 weeks. After that, we move on to Bamboo Sanctuary. The park is located at the St. Francis Xavier Seminary. The Bamboo Eco Park in Baguio showcases different types of species of bamboo that are planted to line the Eco Park pathways. In this video, you will see how we got to the Bamboo Eco Park from our initial location at the boundary between La Trinidad and Baguio City. This is a mix of the drive to the Bamboo Eco Park and walks around the Bamboo Eco Park itself. As always, we would like to provide you with a relaxing drive around Baguio City, only this time with a definite destination. Our
Ito may CR pala dito.